Hello viewers, this is unsatisfied. Today I'm going to show you how to lose weight very fast. It's an impressive way to lose your weight. So let's start our today's program.
How to lose weight fast. 3 simple steps based on science. There are many ways to lose a lot of weight fast. However, most of them will make you hungry and unsatisfied. If you don't have iron willpower, then hunger will cause you to give up on this plan quick. The plan outlined here will reduce your appetite significantly, make you lose weight quickly without hunger, improve your metabolic health at the same time. Here is a simple 3-step plan to lose weight fast. 1. Cut back on sugar and starches. The most important part is to cut back on sugars and starches. When you do that, your hunger level go down and you end up eating much fewer calories. Now instead of burning carbs for energy, your body start feeding off of stored fat. Another benefits of cutting carbs is that it lowers insulin's level, causing your kidneys to shed excess sodium and water out of your body. This reduces bloat and unnecessary water weight. It is not uncommon to lose up to 10 pounds, sometimes more, in the first week of eating this way, both body fat and water weight. This is a graph from study comparing low carb and low fat diet in overweight or obese women. The low carb group is eating until fullness, while the low fat group is calorie restricted and hungry. Cut the carbs and you will start to eat fewer calories automatically and without hunger. Put simply, cutting carbs puts fat loss on autopilot. Summary: removing sugar and starches from your diet will reduce your appetite, lower your insulin level and make you lose weight without hunger. Number 2. Eat protein, fat and vegetables. Protein sources: meat, beef, chicken, pork, lamb, etc. Fish and seafood: salmon, trout, shrimp, etc. Whole eggs with the yolk are best. The importance of eating plenty of protein cannot be overstated. This has been shown to boost metabolism by 80 to 100 calories per day. High protein diet can also reduce craving and obsessive thought about food by 60%, reduce the desire for late night snacking by half, and make you so full that you automatically eat 441 fewer calories per day just by adding protein to your diet. When it comes to losing weight, protein is the king of nutrients. Period. Low carb vegetables is broccoli, cauliflower, spinach, tomatoes, kale, Brussels sprouts, cabbage, Swiss chard, lettuce, cucumber, etc. Don't be afraid to load your plate with these low carb vegetables. You can eat massive amounts of them without going over 20 to 50 net carbs per day. A diet based mostly on meat and vegetables contain all the fiber, vitamins and minerals you need to be healthy. Fat sources: olive oil, coconut oil, avocado oil and butter. If you find yourself hungry in the afternoon at a 4th meal, don't be afraid to eating fat, as trying to do both low carb and low fat at the same time is a recipe of failure. It will make you feel miserable and abandon the plan. To see how you can assemble your meals, check out the low carb meal plan and this list of 101 healthy low carb recipes. Summary: assemble each meal out of protein source, a fat source and low carb vegetables. This will put you in the 20 to 50 gram carb range and significantly lower your hunger levels. Number 3. Lift weights 3 times per week. You don't need to exercise to lose weight on this plan, but it's recommended. The best option is go to the gym 3 to 4 times a week. Do a warm up and lift some weights. If you are new to the gym, ask a trainer for some advice. By lifting weights, you will burn lots of calories and prevent your metabolism from slowing down. which is a common side effect of losing weight. Studies on low carb diets show that you can even gain a bite of muscle while losing most of body fat. If lifting weights is not an option for you, then doing some cardio workout like walking, jogging, running, cycling or swimming will suffice. So viewers, you will find all about the meal chart in the description box of this video. Just check on there.
So viewers, this was our today's program, and hope you will enjoy it, and of course you like it. If you like our video, to get more our health tips, just click on the bell icon and subscribe our channel, and if you want you can share it also. Thank you so much. Have a great day.